Namaskaram, welcome to Vastranand. In today's video, I will show you the color range in same designs, premium quality Banarasi soft cotton silk material as you require the temple border with Rudraksha designs. So in today's video, I will show you the temple designs with the Rudraksha fusion, the soft Banarasi cotton silk saree in affordable price point and as usual the premium quality. The saree you received at just rupees 1250 free shipping. All over India, cash on delivery also available. Kanyakumari, Kashmir to Kanyakumari, you receive the free shipping, but COD charge will be extra. You can visit our website www.vastranand.in and you can explore our wide collection range, premium quality, affordable price point, and luxurious material. Let's start the video. Our application also live now, so you can download our application Vastranand and you can must be follow Instagram page Vastranand IND. Let's start the video. First color you received very cute color combination, top designs in a pink with a green color combination. Chala super the color combination with vintage color combination and temple designs, gap border and Rudraksha butta. Everything in one product. Here you can see the full look of the saree. First of all, you see the green color combination, the rich pallu with the golden zari waves. Here you can see the golden zari waves, the green color combination, rich pallu with elegant Rudraksha buttas in entire the pallu part. As usual, the border part also with red pet style designs with elegant the golden zari temple designs in upper part of this border. Let me show you the closely. Here you can see the golden zari temple design as well as the Rudraksha butta with a gap border in both side of this saree with the same size border. Here you can see the same size border in both side of this saree part with a temple elegant designs in upper part of this body with a chinna golden zari thousands of buttas in entire body part. If I talk about the softness, then here you see the premium quality soft cotton silk material. The saree you received at just rupees 1250 free shipping. All over India, cash on delivery also available with additional coats with a contrast green color combination, the plain blouse piece. Let me show you the two different color combination in same designs. If you like our collection, then like channel, share channel, subscribe channel, our YouTube channel, and must be follow Instagram page Vastranand IND. Our customer care executive number is 8154000063 Monday to Saturday morning 10 to evening 6, and we are providing total 6 multi-language support: Hindi, English, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati, and Marathi. Wide language support we are providing in customer care executive number. Most important note is Kashmir to Kanyakumari you receive the free shipping, but cash on delivery charge will be extra. I'll show you the second color, the bangani with a green color combination, the chala super the color combination. Never seen before this type of collection in premium quality and affordable price point like Kani Vini Aragani designs and affordable price point. Here you can see the bangani with green color combination, green pallu as well as green blouse piece and full body parts. You receive the bangani color combination and golden zari designs, same as the you've seen before in a pink color combination. Let me show you last but not the least the navy blue with red color combination. Chala super the color combination, vintage color combination and top trending designs, the temple and Rudraksha buttas with a red style border in both side of the saree with a golden zari. This premium quality Banarasi soft cotton silk saree you received at just rupees 1250 free shipping. All over India. Here you can see the full look of the saree with a navy blue with a red color combination. Chala super the color combination. If you need to see this collection via video call facility, then video call service is also available. So must be book your one day before your slot via customer care executive number 8154000063 Monday to Saturday morning 10 to evening 6. See you in next video. Vastram Madi Anandam Medi. Bye now at Vastranand.